Hey guys, it's Tip Tuesday. So I have tips for you on how to use the new Thermal Protect Styling Shield and Blowout Cream. So I use them both on their own, and also I use them together. On days I just do a blowout, I use blowout cream because it has styling properties as well as protecting my hair against the heat from my blow dryer. On days that I blow dry and use my curling iron or flat iron, I use both. So I'll use the Thermal Protect Styling Shield and blowout cream to protect against both the blow dryer and my hot tools. Last but not least, on days I'll let my hair air dry, but I do plan on curling it or flat ironing it in the morning, I use just the Thermal Protect Styling Shield. So remember, always apply your favorite Monat products first, then you can use the blowout cream or the Thermal Protect Styling Shield or both. So products that provide heat protection are always the last thing you apply before blow drying and styling with hot tools. Bye guys!